Welcome to the Galvanic Applied Sciences tutorial series. In this video we will show how to configure outputs. For information on how to physically connect to the analyzer, please check the 903 wiring book which is found on the CD or in the 903 GUI software under the Help menu. Start the 903 analyzer software. Log on. Press Update and enter the password. The default password is 2222. Go to the Outputs page. The Output screen allows the user to configure the behavior of the 6 onboard relays and 8 solenoids. It is also where the analyzer's analog outputs are named and configured. The output screen is divided into two main sections: digital outputs and analog outputs. Each output has 3 configuration points: description, failsafe position, and latch enable. The description can be up to a maximum of 6 alphanumeric characters. These output descriptions will also appear in the status tab and on the analyzer LCD screen under the CNFG menu. The failsafe position is the position the output will default to should the output not be triggered. The failsafe position is also the position the relays will switch to while the 903 is in bypass mode. The failsafe position can be off or on. By default, the failsafe position for both relays and solenoids is off. If an output whose failsafe position is on is triggered by an alarm or some other event, the output will then go to the off position. The latch enable allows the user to latch certain outputs. If an output is latched, it means the output will stay in its triggered position until the user clears the latch, regardless of whether or not the event that triggered the output has cleared. The state of a latch is indicated by the colored circle under the title Latch State. A gray circle indicates the output is not latched, while a red circle indicates the output is latched. Individual latches can be cleared by pressing the appropriate button under the title Acknowledge. Also, all latched outputs can be cleared by pressing the Acknowledge All Latches button in the toolbar. For analog outputs, there are 6 isolated 4 to 20 mA analog outputs with 4 input fields. These fields are description, minimum, range, and parameter. The description can be up to a maximum of 6 alphanumeric characters. These output descriptions will also appear in the Status tab and on the analyzer LCD screen under the CNFG menu. To the right of the description field are 2 fields which tell the analyzer how to scale each of the analyzer analog outputs. The left field is minimum, and this field is the minimum numerical value that will be represented on the analog output as 4 mA. The range field is the full-scale numerical value that will be represented on the analog output as 20 mA. The parameter field is where you select an appropriate parameter. This concludes the How to Configure Outputs tutorial.